Ulefone has released a new rugged phone, the Armor 29 Ultra, and it's built to be one of the most durable phones you can find. It comes with dual AMOLED screens, a massive 21,200 mAh battery, a pro-level Sony IMX989 camera, and powerful specs thanks to the Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. On top of that, it includes built-in lights, warning beacons, and support for extra accessories. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. On top, there's a small card from Ulefone celebrating their 10th anniversary and highlighting the Armor 29 Ultra. Beneath that is the documentation pack, which includes the quick start guide, warranty card, a SIM ejector tool, and a screen protector to keep the display safe from day one. Next is the phone itself, which we'll set aside for a moment. Underneath, you get a 120-watt fast charger and a rugged USB-C cable. Early orders sometimes come with extras like a mole holster or the U-Smart E01 accessory, which are handy for tough outdoor conditions. The Armor 29 Ultra is a heavy but solid phone, weighing around 560 grams. It's built for extreme environments, giving you durability and power in one package. On the left side, there's the dual SIM slot for 2 nano SIMs plus a micro SD card. Next to it is a customizable key for quick actions like the flashlight, camera, or push to talk. The U-Smart Connector 2.0 lets you attach accessories like endoscopes or microscopes. On the right, you'll find the volume buttons, a power button with an integrated fingerprint sensor, and a dedicated camera button, useful when wearing gloves. At the bottom is the USB Type-C charging port and the loudspeaker. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack, and on top, an IR blaster for controlling appliances. The body is made from a mix of polycarbonate, rubber, and reinforced aluminum, giving it a solid tank-like feel while staying practical for tough use. On the front, there's a 6.67-inch AMOLED display at 120 Hz. It's bright, reaching 2200 nits, and protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The bezels are a bit thicker, but they are raised to protect the screen from drops, perfect for a rugged device. On the back, you'll find a 1.04-inch AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 3. It's great for quick checks of time, notifications, music, or battery status without turning on the main screen. Small, tough, and practical. And here's where things get even cooler. The Ulefone Armor 33 Pro supports a wide range of tools through its U-Smart Connector 2.0. This is dual camera endoscope, a handy tool for mechanics, plumbers, or tech tinkerers. It has front and side cameras so you can see tight or hard to reach spaces clearly, like inside pipes or engines. And this one is digital microscope. This lets you turn your rugged phone into a mini lab, perfect for detailed inspections, education, or even fun macro shots. Just plug and play. Both connect seamlessly to the phone and make it more than just a rugged smartphone. It's practically a mobile workstation. The Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra has a 21,200 mAh dual cell battery at 7.74 volts, giving it long-lasting power. With 120-watt fast charging and reverse charging, it can run for days, making it reliable for remote travel or situations without easy access to a charger. Inside, the Armor 29 Ultra runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus, scoring nearly 2 million on AnTuTu. It has 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage with micro SD expansion, so there's plenty of room for apps, media, and files. This phone is fully IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistant and military grade standards, so it can handle drops, shocks, pressure, and extreme temperatures. It has a 1000 lumen flashlight built into the back, powered by 34 LED beads, which can replace a dedicated light. It also doubles as an emergency beacon with red, blue, and alternating red-blue lights for fire, medical, law enforcement, or other emergencies. You can pair these with selectable alarm sounds, and it has both constant and flashing light modes for maximum visibility. The main camera is a 50 megapixel 1-inch Sony IMX989 for sharp, detailed shots. There's also a 64 megapixel night vision camera with quad IR LEDs, which works even in complete darkness. The 50 megapixel ultrawide camera doubles as a macro lens for close-ups. The front has a 32 megapixel selfie camera, perfect for video calls or vlogging. The phone has a 1000 lumen built-in floodlight and a warning beacon, ideal for emergencies, outdoor filming, or working in dark conditions. Now I'm recording the video from the back camera and it looks pretty nice. You can see how stable it is. Wow. And from the back camera you can also have the 50 megapixel. This is 4K and it also offers 8K video recording. But I decided to record 4K. Wow, it looks pretty nice. Very stable. See the tree? I'm walking. Wow. Pretty nice. Okay, let's see the zoom quality. This is 4K, so it can zoom till 4K, and this is 1x. Okay, try one more time. This is 4K. So the zooming quality is apparently not that good, but the stabilization is smooth. Nice. Let me show you the running result. Do it again. I'm recording this video from the Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra from the front camera, which is 50 megapixel. It looks pretty nice. It offers electronic image stabilization, but the problem is it does not support 4K. It only supports 1080p, but it does not also show the FPS. However, this is the result from the front camera. I'm walking slowly and you can see the result. The colors looking very nice, not bad. Nice. And while filming you can zoom in till 4x. Nice. Alright guys, if you need a phone that keeps going, whether for remote travel, industrial work, or tough outdoor conditions, the Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra is worth considering. It has strong performance, a huge battery, a rugged design, and practical lighting features all in one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.